Check out this stunning border. The combination of blanket stitch and buttonhole variations creates a textured and eye-catching design that's sure to elevate any garment or accessory. I'm using this lovely dark green cotton fabric. First, I'm folding the edge of the fabric about 2 inches inwards and pinning it in place. This will create a clean and finished edge for our border. Now I'm attaching the fabric to my wooden hoop, making sure it's taut and wrinkle-free. I'm only using half of the hoop for this project since we're working on the edge of the fabric. I have chosen a light green floss that pops against the dark green background. I have threaded my needle with all 6 strands of the light yellow embroidery floss. Then I'll secure the hoop onto my hoop stand, which will make stitching much easier and more comfortable. Now let's start stitching. We'll begin with a series of blanket stitches. Insert the needle back down about 1/8 of an inch away, making sure to catch the loop of floss with your needle. This creates the first stitch of our blanket stitch border. I'm going to stitch 4 blanket stitches in a row. Now we're going to switch to the detached buttonhole stitch. Insert the needle through the last blanket stitch, the one at the edge of the fabric. The detached buttonhole stitch is a versatile stitch that can be used for a variety of purposes, from creating decorative edges to filling in shapes. To complete our border petal, we'll add 6 buttonhole bar stitches. These are similar to the detached buttonhole stitch. It creates a slightly denser and more textured effect. Now we'll repeat the pattern. Stitch 4 more blanket stitches followed by a few detached buttonhole stitches and then some buttonhole bar stitches. Continue in this way, creating a beautiful repeating pattern along the edge of the fabric. This design is so versatile. You can use it on all sorts of projects, from garments and accessories to home decor items. Imagine this beautiful border adorning the neckline of a dress, the cuffs of a blouse, or even the edges of a tablecloth. You can also use it to embellish bags, pillows, or any other fabric project that needs a touch of handmade charm. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Handiworks for more stitching inspiration. Happy crafting!